So in this video, I'm just going to tell you that how to change your birthday announcing pronoun according to your gender. So that's very simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Facebook and then just go to the menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy. And after that, click on see more in account center and then just click on personal details and click on birthday. And here you can see the option of you can see your birthday on the Facebook, which is written in little font in blue color. Just click on it and click on change visibility on the Facebook. So here you can see the option of gender. In gender option, just click on more option, and then here you can see what pronoun do you use. Just click on this little drop down menu. Just select the pronoun according to your gender. So I hope it helps you guys. And if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys.